Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Omar Farooq in front of you, and I'm going to make new videos. Today I want to start my spoken English with a good sentence. And the good sentence is: focus on yourself, your goals, your dreams, your family and your friends. And most importantly, your happiness. That's what really matters. Let me repeat the sentence again. Focus on yourself, your goals, your dreams, your family and your friends. And most importantly, your happiness. That's what really matters. We are focusing every day on different things, but we are not focusing in a fixed thing. We expect success, we expect good things in our life, but we do not focus in certain things. Before expecting something, at first we have to focus in a certain thing. Our success depends on our focusing point. What we are thinking every day, what we are doing every day, our action, our thoughts become one day a fruits. We can say that fruit's name is a success. And the success above all depends on focusing. People do not focus what they want to do. They are already have done many things and expecting the fruits of success. At the end of the day, they become fail. They don't get the fruits of success due to lack of focus that is happening. The gainer can realize how much the importance of focusing. Focusing is very important. What type of focus we need? We need the focus of goals. We need the focus on ourselves. We need the focus of dreams. We need the focus to our family and friends. Above all, we need to fix our focus for our happiness. And that is really matters in our life. Whatever we are doing or whatever we will do, that is all for our happiness. You have focused in a certain work. You have gained. You have owned. But you are not happy. Your gaining will be destroyed. Your gaining will have no value because you are not happy. Happiness is the main point. At the end of the day, what you are doing or what you have already done, if you are happy, then your focusing point is really helpful. Your focusing point will be fruitful. So this is very important for us to focus appropriately. Focus on our goals, our families, our dreams, our happiness, friends, etc. So let me repeat the sentence again. Focus on yourself, your goals, your dreams, your family and your friends, above all, your happiness. That's what really matters. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.